Kopi ko, bago din kape natin, no? Cafe Mocha.
So starting Feb, yung goal natin is if we have a new employee he comes on board, we actually, you know, have that welcome kit ready together with the ID, together with the laptop, together with whatever else you'd want to give him. Isabi mo na lang kung ano sa tingin mo would be best. Kung gusto mo gumawa ng face mask or what not, basta.
Ano na lang, yung tier system na lang siya. Tier 1 for ganito yung most ng work niya. So, ito yung merong specific for parang by tier or by level. So,
sige, we can do that. So, can you fix that? Kung ano yung magiging per tier?
Sure, Chief. Tapos yung siguro papatulong lang ako dun sa parang kung magana yung pinaka-requirement ka. Editor ba siya? Ganyan.
Speaking of work gear, this is a brand new laptop from ASUS, one of my favorite brands when it comes to laptops. So we will open this, check this out, mainly because one, I want to see how it works. Two, I want to get a feel for it kasi we are heavily considering this laptop to be one of our standard issues for several of our employees. So malamang na-excite yung mga tao na nagtatrabaho sa Unbox Creator Network, Unbox at kung saan-saan pa dahil na-excite sila makita to. So let's go! This is the Zenbook 14x OLED Space Edition. Boom! So bakit nga ba siya tinawag na Space Edition? Well, let me just check the time kung tama. In 1997, ASUS launched the first laptop called the P6300. Picture somewhere there. And that same model was later chosen for a mission to the Mir space station. What? And the astronaut even said that the ASUS laptop was one of the more reliable laptops in that mission. So because of that, yan yung inspiration in this special edition, Space Edition ng OLED 14x ASUS laptop. Unboxing knife, courtesy of our good friends, of course, from Sneak Attack. Naalala ko si Sneak Attack parang naging endorser din or they work together with ASUS eh. Wait lilipat ako dyan para makita nyo pag binuksan natin. What? Box pa lang ulam na. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Take a look at that. Wow, this is a... Whoa! Did you see that? The way it rose up? At least ASUS is thinking about the unboxing experience. They're making it even more special. Not just like, you know, some boring out-of-the-box experience. Kinda looks like, you know, those platforms in space stations pag tumataas ka. Complete with sound effects ni Carlo Ople. Tignan nyo to. So all the peripherals, which you can see over here, like it's like a laptop stand dock thing. It's in some sort of like space capsule. You know, 1998 to 2002 Space Edition. So pag nabuksan mo yan, nandyan lahat. Ang ganda nung pagka-packaging. Alam nyo, ASUS, grabe kayo Grabe kayo. Packaging pa lang, panalo na. So this doubles. So apart from holding the peripherals, the cables and stuff, this also works as a laptop stand. Siyempre, punta na tayo sa main event. This is it. Panalo, may ganyan pa oh. Grabe, it's so light. And it has this, what? The manuals are in this like special packet. I think they're manuals. So let's take a look what's inside. Yeah. So you have the manual. Oh, you have special edition stickers. But seriously, guys, come on. We have to give them props for this sick unboxing experience of the ASUS Space Edition. So the design, as you guys can see, this one uses aluminum and it also uses the titanium color for the overall vibe. Very space station. And kung titignan ninyo, this one, this is actually, it looks like Morse code, you know, the dash and the dots. And apparently, when I check the readings on it, somewhere there means ad astra, which basically means through hardships, through the stars. And this is the Zen Vision. Apparently, information comes out here. Excited ako to test that one out. Buksan na natin. Grabe nakakatawa. Boom! Oh, wow. Grabe kung mag-on siya, nakakatawa. Damn! That is absolutely sick. And take a look at the color of that space bar. That little thing gave it so much more punch in terms of the vibe. Guys, in terms of looks, this is... Oh, wait. Kailangan natin baliktarin. Tingnan nyo naman yun, oh. Ano kaya nangyayari dyan? So that's the Zen Vision. Grabe, nakakatuwa. This is such a freaking cool laptop. I mean, seriously. So if you access the My ASUS, you can actually customize the Zen Vision outside. So it can be for notification, self-expression, and even personalized messages and status. Kaaliw. And napansin ko, there are buttons here. I wonder what happens if I press this. Whoa! What? May ganon? So while tinkering with the settings, nakita ko may parang touch keyboard personalization. So I completely forgot that this one has a built-in touchscreen as well. Anyway, can I just show, this is our new website for UCN, our talent agency. Tingnan nyo naman, no? Na looks so much better compared to before. Yung previous version that I showed you guys. Diba? Sobrang angas, oh. Sobrang mas maganda na. And it even looks so much better in this friggin' kick-ass laptop. You're probably wondering what's so special about the OLED technology. So ako, I'm a huge fan of OLED. Not only is the color reproduction better, the images are just absolutely sharper. Apart from that, this one allows for you to get, I think, around 70% less harmful blue light, which is great for people who spend a lot of time on their laptops. Kita nyo naman, by the way, this already comes pre-installed with Windows 11, Microsoft Office, and Student. For everybody who needs all of those important software, it's already in the PC out of the box. In terms of specs, Core i9 12th generation, all the other details can be found down below, but this is an absolute beast, lightweight Zenbook that has a really kick-ass screen. So if you guys are looking like I am, then you might wanna consider this one. More details linked down below. Para sa mga empleyado namin sa kumpanya, guys, I'm sure you're excited. Yes, we're considering. Ang ganda niya talaga. At least para sa akin, mukhang sureball ito yung magiging laptop ko. So I'm just headed out, punta akong shop. We actually have parang a year-ender wrap-up party for the company that I'm working at. And ang gusto ko sana gawin to thank you my team who worked so hard last year is to just raffle away a lot of stuff for them. So marami ako mga nakatabing gadgets, pero kulang pa kasi gusto ko 2 rounds. Gusto ko everybody wins at least 2 prizes. So punta ako shop, tingnan ko kung ano yung pwede kong bilhin para madagdag sa aming pasabog na raffle. Unbox Greenhills. So, naghahanap tayo ng mga pwede natin pang raffle. So, tingin-tingin tayo dito. Let's see if there's anything nice that we can get. Budget natin mga 1,500 to 1,000 pesos per item. Ayan, so maraming Jollibee fans. So, pwede itong dalawa. Sama natin to sa ating paraffle. Oh, para sa mga fan ng Attack on Titan, oh. Tingnan niyo yung statue na yan. Resin yata yan eh. Si Eren. Angas. Grabe, oh. Close up natin. Boom. Whew. Tense. Meron din dito sa baba. Ito yung bago siya nag-transform dun sa bagong season na nasa basement sila. So ito parang bust lang siguro. Parang anime, oh. Parang cel-shaded na Sasuke. Manga Dimensions Grandista. Uchiha Sasuke Manga Dimensions. Ganda. Grabe naman ito. Ang laki naman ng deco na to. It's massive, oh. It's like a giant Funko Pop. 3,000 pesos. Box 68. Box 104 has the Grim Reaper Blazers. 23,000. Also have the Jordan 3 Amamani. 27,000. Size 9 women's. O sige guys, pang grand prize natin. Ito na. Sa mga fans ng BTS. Yan. Yan, oh. Dynamite. Kompleto sila. Di ko sila kilala lahat dahil hindi ako army. Pero sigurado ako isa sa mga sasali sa raffle. Pwede mong matutuwa dito. Oh, this one's nice. Oh. This is a Series 1 hologram of Spider-Man. 1,000 pesos. Sana maganda sama sa raffle eh. Pero mahal, 7,500. Pero if you guys are looking for a Nezuko parang big statue na naka-box. Box, ay walang basta. Yan, sa tabi ng box D. Dito tayo sa Soul Republic. Jordan 11 Cool Grey, di ba? Bagong labas. Well, this year. So, para sa mga fans of the silhouette, it's like one of those iconic sneakers that you can get. Magkano to, parts?
16,000.
16,000 dito sa Soul Republic. Ito ang cute na Jordan 1 na to. Parang yung swoosh niya, cut out. So you actually see the inside. Ano tawag dito, parts?
Ano sir? Pearl white.
Pearl white.
Zoom sir.
Pearl white zoom Jordan 1. Magkano to?
11,000.
11,000. Women's ba to or men's?
Women's, sir.
Women's. Kaya pala. So, mission accomplished. We are able to buy a bunch of stuff to add to our raffle. I'm planning on launching my book probably around March. If not April.
Do you mind if I take notes while we're...
Yeah, go lang. So around April or March, I can send you the initial transcript siguro by next week, so you can also take a look if it will help with the development of the cover. But it's basically the concept is building your online empire, parang from 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. So yun yung concept niya. I wanted to offer 10 designs of that particular book cover. Work with you, sneak attack, di ba, Sal? In my head, marami naman pwedeng gawin eh. For example, if you buy this book, not only do you get a hardbound version with siguro I can write on it or whatever, but maybe we can do like a consultancy call that, di ba, na 1 hour with you and me, parang ganon.
I think that's the most valuable utility there. It's like you're giving away your time.
And I just want to give away 10 of those books, di ba? Or sell 10 of those. Parang limited, otherwise.
I'll sketch out a concept for it, and then me and my 3D artist will bash our heads together, and then we'll figure out the most efficient way to do it.
Yeah, tapos balikan mo ako with the cost.
Yeah.
Bago to Japanese meditation spa. Ano kayo nangyayari dyan? Babe! What's up? Kamusta? Ano yan, parang bear? Meron din nakasulat kapit lang. Babe, nakakapit ka pa ba?
Kapit lang.
Kapit lang.
Kapit.
Dapat i-on ko yung lights. Woo! Kitang-kita pala yung ipin, no? Maglalakad ako ng ganito. Ilang kaya dami siguro titingin, no? Morning everyone, Carlo here. So today is Friday morning. I just had my coffee. We're going to hit the treadmill again. And while we're walking, getting those super important steps in, I'll react to a couple of comments as well as answer a couple of questions from you guys. So tara. So there was a comment a couple of vlogs ago. Somebody said na they used to thought or they heard from people that I was uncool and I was a culture vulture and stuff like that. And I wanted to take this opportunity to address it. Unang-una sa lahat, bro, thank you for watching and thank you for, I guess, changing your mind and appreciating the content that I create. Secondly, as a bit of advice for people who have haters or who have people, who want to bring them down, I have one beautiful quote from you that I super believe in from the Batman or, well, Christian Bale. Here's how it goes. So here's the quote. Again, this is from Christian Bale. If you have a problem with me, call me. If you don't have my number, you don't know me well enough to have a problem with me. Boom. Parang it's a good thing that I got into this YouTube creator space. Now that I'm kind of old, I'm 39, I'm kind of Tito levels already. Because I don't need to prove anything to anybody, di ba? Parang I'm kind of secure with who I am. I know why I'm doing this and I'm happy doing it. And if some people don't find it cool, if some people are threatened, if some people are insecure or jealous, problema na nila yun. I don't really care. I will keep creating. Haters can keep on hating. Another question or comment, any YouTubers that are new that I am watching or following? Off the top of my head, number one, there's this Australian. His name is Marshall Butters. So he's going around the Philippines, going around the provinces, riding buses, eating street food. He's so entertaining. I mean, you guys have to watch him. His latest video, he even did a rap. So I am a super fan. Marshall, if ever you get to watch this video, comment below or hit me up on IG. Let's do a collab, man. I super appreciate the content that you do. Shout out to you. And of course, I have to give a quick shout out to Dwight from The Worn Well. If you guys are interested to know more about fashion, especially tech wear, check him out. Menswear, he's super cool, super knows what he's talking about, and I regularly watch his content as well.